Today, I'm unboxing some exciting new brushes from Golden Apple. They sent me their 6 professional watercolor gouache brush set and the 4 pieces Sable Hair unique needlepoint rigger brushes. I can't wait to test them out. The box looks made of thick carton, simple and elegant. The brushes are carefully packed with a stretchable string, which is great so the brushes will stay in place in shipping. The belly is made of sable hair and the needles are made of nylon. Perfect for watercolor, wash, acrylics, calligraphy, and ink painting. It has 4 sizes in this set, size 18, 12, 8, and 4. Let's see the smallest brush in this set. I always want brushes with pointy tips, and these brushes are not just pointy, but long. Now, let's open the brush set co-branded with Bao Chau. It has different shapes of brushes that looks interesting. This is the 2 cm hake brush made of wool. This is great to paint broad washes. Next is the squirrel mop brush, size 8. It has pointy and very big belly. This is great for holding lots of water. This is the nylon angle brush, size 8, ideal for sharp edges and controlled strokes. This is the nylon liner brush, size 3, super fine and great for details. The smallest in this set is a nylon brush, size 0. This is perfect for precision. And finally, the wool calligraphy brush, size 2, a classic brush for expressive strokes. I can't wait to use these brushes, and if you're interested in getting these brushes, I put links in the description box, and remember to use the discount code Bianca to get 10% off of your purchase.